Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, you just click here on settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to Experimenter. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on theme, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on light. So then here automatically it's going to change with you to light mode like you see here. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.